Students, let us start class 9 chapter 1 number system. Topic irrational numbers. Today we are going to learn how to prove under root 2 is an irrational number. We can prove under root 2 or any number irrational number by two methods. Number one, division method. Number second, contradiction method. All you learn in your previous classes long division method. So this is what? This is long division method for root 2. So after solving of root 2 by long division, we get root 2 is equals to 1.41421, so on so. This decimal expansion is said to be non-terminating, non-repeating decimal expansion. That's why under root 2 is an irrational number. Because under root 2 is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. That's why we said under root 2 is an irrational number. So our second method is contradiction method. So let us start how to solve by contradiction method. Let us suppose that under root 2 is rational number. Then there exists co-prime. Co-prime, you all understand what you mean by co-prime, whose HCF is 1. In other words, we can say that who's having 1 as common factor, means no common factor other than 1. 1 means number 1. Such that under root 2 is equals to P upon Q. P upon Q is a rational number. Squaring both sides. So under root 2 square is equals to P upon Q square. You can see square root and square are cancel itself. We are left with 2 is equals to P square upon Q square. On cross multiplication, what we get? 2Q square is equals to P square, which further implies that P square is equals to 2Q square. So what we get from this equation? We say this P square is multiple of 2. In other sense, we can say that 2 is factor of P square. If 2 is factor of P square, so it further implies 2 is also factor of P. 2 is also factor of P. It other implies as 2 is factor of P, so we can write P is equals to 2 into M, where M is a constant. Again squaring both sides. What we get? Students, I am writing here. On squaring both sides, what we get? P square is equals to 2M whole square. It implies P square is equals to 2 to the 4 and M square. P square, this value is P square, so let it be 1. From equation 1, we get, what we get from equation 1? P square equals to 2q square. So at the place of p square we write 2q square is equals to 4m square. Further implies q square is equals to 4m square upon 2. So you can see that 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So it further implies q square is equals to 2m square. So we reach at the conclusion q square is multiple of 2. In other sense, we can say that 2 is factor of q square. As 2 is factor of q square, it implies that 2 is also factor of q. So students, see it carefully. 2 is factor of p. 2 is factor of q, meaning 2 is common factor of p and q, which contradict the condition, that there is no common factor. So our supposition is wrong. What is our supposition, student? Our supposition is under root 2 is a rational number. If it is wrong, so we can say that under root 2 is what? Under root 2 is irrational number. So I am writing here, student, hence. So let me write here, I make space. Hence under root 2 is irrational number. So students, this is the way how to prove under root 2 is an irrational number by division method as well as by contradiction method. Hope you understand the way. Students, I attach you guys with one worksheet. Watch video till end. Try to solve all questions at your home. All the questions based on these two methods you can solve by any of the method which is easy for you. But in some cases you have to stick with your contradiction method. Bye bye everybody.